Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nadeem and I will be sharing tips to help you improve your trading style. In today's video, we'll be going over a trading plan and how you can create your own trading plan. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell icon so you don't miss another video. So let's get straight into it. So number one, we want to identify our weaknesses and our strengths. What pulls us back from being a successful trader? Let's write them out. Let's list down at least 3 weaknesses and at least 3 strengths. Remember, these weaknesses that you are listing down do not have to be trading related. It could be literally anything. It could be your patience, it could be your time management, it could be your consistency or discipline. The second thing we want to identify is your best times to trade. So write down your daily schedule, write down everything that you do on a daily basis and fit trading around your time schedule. I don't want you to be sitting on the chart all day. You want to have a certain time slot that you are going to be trading in, and you want to stick to that time slot throughout the week, throughout the month. Point number 3 is the number of setups that you are planning to trade in the next week. So look back on your average trading week and determine how many setups do you usually trade, and get an average of that, and that should be the average number of setups that you should be looking for the week coming. Identifying this will help us see if we are over trading or under trading. Point number 4 will be moving our stop loss to break even. When will you move your stop loss to break even? Will you move it when your trade is in a certain number of pips profit, or will you move your stop loss to break even when your trade is running at 1-to-1 risk to reward, or will you move it when your TP1 is hit? So there's different methods of moving your stop loss to break even. What is your preferred way? Point number 5, what are the different type of currency pairs that you will be trading? What type of major currency pairs will you trade? What time of the day will you trade those major currency pairs? What are the different cross pairs that you will be trading? Or will you be trading commodities or indices? What is your pick? Point number 6 is your overall pip target for the week or for the day. How many pips are you aiming for? We need to have a target that we are working towards. And this brings me to point number 7, is having a daily cap loss and having a weekly cap loss. So this kind of relates back to FTMO, where they have a daily cap and they have an overall cap, but we want to set our own caps, which is far less than what FTMO's one is. Point number 7 and 8 is very similar to point number 6, where we want to have a percentage target for the day, percentage target for the week, and a percentage cap, so losing cap for the day and a percentage losing cap for the week. Point number 9 is risk per trade. How much are you going to be risking per scenario, and how much are you going to be risking per trade? Now, I've seen this mistake many times where people would mistake scenarios for trades. Now, in one scenario you can have multiple trades. For instance, if you have a trade of GBP USD, you can actually take 2 trades of that trade, which is TP1 and TP2. Now, if you're taking 2 trades of this one scenario, you want to split the risk on that scenario. So for instance, if I'm risking 1% on this GBP USD scenario, I'm going to risk 0.5% on TP1 and 0.5% on TP2. Point number 10, time spent. Are you tracking the time that you are spending when it comes to trading? If not, you need to start tracking your time, because if you are spending 20 hours a week trading and you're only making $100, it may sound good, but when you actually do the maths, you're only making £5 an hour, which is not that great considering the amount of time and effort that you are putting in. And last but not least, evaluation. When will you evaluate your trades? Will you evaluate your trades at the end of each day, at the end of each trade, at the end of each week? Personally, I would say evaluate your trades at the end of each day to see exactly what went wrong, what went right, learn from your mistakes, prevent it in the future trades. I hope you all enjoyed this quick video on creating a trading plan. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.